सांगले पे ओल्ड गोवाच्या बाबतीन
Of course,
रिगार्डिंग द
and कितें आहा,
बफर झोन
whatever is sometimes somebody creates, be very rest assured that I have already mapped it on the regional plan. It's already notified that this is the buffer zone that is already created. So there's no question of me giving. Town planning has never given any permission. And last time, whatever the issue was if ASI gives any permission or anybody gives within a permission for any government project, that's a different subject. But I know private people, nothing we can give. If it's every rule, regulation within a conservation area. And these are heritage structures. They have to be protected. But same time, you have to understand if there's a procedure that is followed, because there's a procedure within a buffer zone. The procedure is you have to take Archaeological Survey of India and several other things. If the procedure is followed, that's a different issue altogether. There's nothing to do with any permission and nothing to do with anything that is given. I'm very clear on one thing is that we need to protect our heritage structures, but same time facilitation center and other things which are required. They were required during exposition. They were required in infrastructure in terms of tourist inflow coming. A lot of people come from all over the place, including internationally, to see the church and several other religious places. But we have to see that we have a buffer zone. Where before I became town planning minister, it was never notified. Today it is notified. Honorable Shri Rajesh Paldesai brought it to my knowledge that there should not be no construction, and it is only because of his initiative that we took it in the board and we took the decision very firmly. We are here to protect, and also I made a mention to you that we are also going to protect the mangroves. 3,555 survey numbers have already been identified. There is a Government of India agency that is helping us to correlation. That I will present it to Mr. Bhupendra Yadav, the Honorable Minister for Environment and Forest. This is the plan for the state of Goa. Same things, we want to protect the mangroves and consider them as conservation areas. Salt pans as well as inactive salt pans are going to be protected. And several other new initiatives you will see in another 2-3 days which we are taking in order to increase the green cover which we are doing. And also be rest assured, there is nothing that's going to go wrong, and we will do it very judiciously with the participation of the people.
So what will be the fate of the Heritage Interpretation Center now, since it comes
No,
within?
I can't comment on that. It is not my purview to comment on that. What is told to me within my department, I can comment. You asked me two things. One is whether there is a buffer zone. Yes, notified by me. Notified at the instance of Honorable MLA for protection of these heritage sites. And in addition, whatever has to be done and what is the future, that only time and the procedure, whatever, for all these organizations like ASI, only they can tell us. Not me. ना सांगलं नाही 200. बरं करून